My name is Narayana. Today topic is embedded systems with examples. What is embedded systems? What are the examples of embedded system? Okay, let's go start the video. Okay, what is embedded system? The definition first. I will explain what is embedded systems, and then I will explain what are the classifications. All I will explain one by one. Okay, embedded systems means embedded system is a specialized computing system that integrates the hardware and software to perform a specific or predefined functions or tasks with a large mechanical or electronic systems. For example, if everyone will say what is embedded system means the combination of hardware and software. So it is not a pure definition for the embedded systems. Okay, embedded systems is a specialized computing system that integrates hardware and software both to perform a specific or predefined functions or task with a large mechanical or electronic systems. Mechanical or electronic systems means here we have different types of earbuds are there are the electronic devices, and smart watches are there, they are the electronic devices. For example, embedded systems, machineries means mechanical means we have cars, automobiles. Okay, these are the coming to mechanical part. Okay, the combination of hardware and software, the combination of hardware and software to perform a specific task or predefined function or task with a large mechanical or electronic systems. This is the definition for the embedded systems. Okay, coming to next, embedded systems can be classified based on the several criterias including their functionalities, performance, and their application domain. Okay, below are the main are classifications and examples I will give you. Okay, embedded systems can be classified into several criterias, right? Including their functionalities and performance and their applications domain. Where we using the embedded systems? What are the applications of embedded systems? This type of this type of classified in several criterias. Okay, I will explain one by one application and classification. Okay. Okay, real-time embedded systems. This is the first classification of embedded systems. Okay, definition. It is designed to perform task within the strict timing constraints. Okay, it is designed to perform task with a strict timing constraints. Okay, constraints. Okay, what is this means? Real-time embedded systems. For example, your vehicle has an airbag. When we happen the crash, within seconds your airbag to deploy. Okay, your airbag will be activate and open it for within the seconds. When the crash is happen, we have to open the airbag. So these type of real time operating. Okay, these type of real time operating performances are embedded systems are useful. For example, I will give airbag control systems in car. Okay, industrial industrial robots, medical devices like pacemakers. Okay, these are the real time embedded systems. Next, standalone embedded systems means operate the independently without requiring the host system. I will okay, in these embedded systems, standard alone means we have only embedded systems. It cannot depend another modules. It can be independently execute without having the host computer. Examples like mp3 player, digital cameras. We have digital cameras as also have embedded chips, but there is no involvement of other devices, like, right? So these are the main examples of standard alone embedded systems: mp3 player, digital cameras, microwave ovens. Okay, microwave ovens. Next, networked embedded systems. For example, we are using networking signals in like your Wi-Fi. These are the mobile systems. We are sharing the data from one mobile to another mobile. This type of networking. Okay, the communicate with other systems over a network. For example, we are sharing the data from one mobile to another mobile. We are using Bluetooth or different, right? Bluetooth having share pointing, having quick share, having this type of different applications also having to share the networking. So, for example, what are the networking embedded systems means? Smart home devices, right? uh, we are having smart homes, light, automatic light controls, automatic fan controls, TV monitorings. These type of devices are there. IoT enabled sensors. Okay, some vehicles having the sensors, right? uh, Next, ATM machines. Your ATM machines also, when we keep the card, it will access your card and it will show your data, right? So this type of mobile embedded systems, like these are the main examples of networked embedded systems. Okay, next, mobile embedded systems designed for the portability and mobility. Here we have the some portability and mobility. When we are traveling, we can't take your system, right, your PC to that place, because we have lot of space is occupying and a lot of weight, and it will to carry to somewhere. But your laptop is very portable and movability. Yes, we can keep it back and take and go anywhere. Okay, these type of portabilities and uh, mobility comforts will given by the embedded systems, because we have different types of gadgets are using smartphones and GPS devices, right? Some GPS devices within the 4 or 5 centimeters, when we put into the your car, if you go anywhere, we can track your location with your mobile, right? When we connecting to the GPS, then we can track your device, right? Your vehicle. So these type of simplification devices also done by the embedded systems. These are the main for the nowadays embedded systems are placing major role in electronic devices or technologies. Okay, next, wearable fitness stickers trackers, oh sorry, wearable fitness trackers. Okay, these type of devices are the mobile embedded systems. Okay, thank you for the video. Please comment and share, like, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.